Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat that we've had in Charleston for the first time ever. It's the Saxdor 270. Wanted to go over a quick shot of the boat's exterior. So again, on the Saxdor 270, got a really sharp looking gray gel coat full hull with a beautiful black accent stripe that matches the black rub rail with the stainless steel insert and the black powder coating really nicely. You'll also notice this is a double stepped hull. Performance on this boat is really impressive. Full running strakes all the way to the back. And now we'll check out the inside. Starting off with the transom, this boat is powered with twin V6 200 horsepower Mercury 4-strokes. We've got a full walk-through transom, so we can easily get from one side of the boat to the other. There is an option for a ski pole that inserts here at the back of the transom. We've got wood-trimmed glass windows on the back, along with a cockpit block-off door. Synthetic foam flooring, or SeaDeck style flooring throughout for nice added comfort. Systems and bilge access beneath this hatch here. We've got great cockpit seating with a table that raises and lowers. Very nice, high, comfortable backrest, and no exposed hardware on these seats. Black powder coating up to the hardtop. You can see we've got a huge oversized hardtop, gives you plenty of shade, but you also have a skylight or sunroof style effect, so you have good visibility as well. Coming up to the helm, this is a very comfortable boat to operate. The steering wheel is on a tilt base. Nice vinyl wrapped steering wheel. Touchscreen from Simrad. Little cubby style glove compartments for your phones or your devices. Of course, digital throttle and shift with those Mercury 4-strokes. We do have a VHF radio already installed. Cup holders as well. Switching for our lights and our pumps. Trim tabs. And we also have a bow thruster on board. This seating actually also can create, or this seat rather, can create opposing seating in the cockpit with this backrest pivoting to face aft. So you've got a really versatile seating area up here as well. This boat has a very large cabin, especially for 27 feet. So when you're seated, you've got really nice headroom here. You can see how far deep this goes. I mean, somebody who's 6 foot tall can sprawl out here very comfortably. This would be a great place to put the kids down for an afternoon nap or get them out of the rain or the weather to extend your days. We've also got a head on board that's concealed with another seat and a freshwater sink as well. We move up to the bow area. Nice oversized bow cushion on the 27 Saxdor. Very comfortable place to sit, lay out, and catch some sun. And then forward, we've got our anchor locker for our remote controlled windlass anchor. That is a walkthrough of the Saxdor 270. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.